Hi there, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about work from home, personal finance, and snippets into my daily life. Now, usapang secured credit cards pa rin tayo. This is more of a continuation video from that Maya secured credit card video that I made previously. After reading all the comments and the questions, which by the way are very helpful and insightful, I've decided to just go ahead and do a follow-up video, and still we're gonna talk about secured credit cards, but this time we'll talk more about secured credit cards that are being offered by the traditional banks in the Philippines. So kung curious ka kung anong banks ang may ganitong offer, and if you want to know how much is their holdout amount or the security deposit na kailangan, then please keep on watching. Alright, so hi there again, and today's video is going to be super helpful if you are trying to start building your credit, or if you want to get a credit card pero palagi kang declined or rejected. So in my previous video, which I'm gonna include the link in the description box, I did explain the difference between a secured credit card and an unsecured credit card, or traditional credit card. But just for the sake of, like an overview, a secured credit card works just like a regular credit card. You can use it for your purchases, whether it's in-store purchase or online transactions, or if you wanna use it to book your flights and hotels, pwede mo siyang gamitin para doon. Walang kaibahan sa regular na traditional or unsecured credit card. The only difference between a secured credit card and unsecured credit card is, dito sa secured credit card, kailangan mong bigay ng collateral, like a security deposit or a holdout amount. They'll ask you to open up a savings account, and then your credit limit will be taken from that security deposit. And from the word itself, it's called security deposit because it's the bank's security na kung meron mang, if anything goes wrong, like you're not able to pay off your dues, then kukunin nila yung pambayad doon sa security deposit or sa holdout amount na nilagay mo. So, there. Question. Why should you get a secured credit card? Maganda ba siya? Well, I have 3 key points. Number 1, high approval rate. Mas madali, it's a lot easier for you to actually get approved for a secured credit card kahit wala ka pang stable income. In fact, some traditional banks like BDO, if you actually check out their website, it says there that it's 100% approval for a secured credit card. Number 2, it can help you build your credit history. And number 3, it's gonna be easier to upgrade your secured credit card to a regular card in the future, and you don't have to reapply or submit all the other requirements na kailangan sa regular na credit card. In fact, with some other banks, let's say for a period of 6 months, and okay naman yung history mo ng pagbabayad mo ng bills and your usage ng secured credit card mo, other banks would automatically convert or upgrade the secured credit card to a regular one. And if that doesn't happen, pwede ka ring mag-apply for a regular credit card, and then once approved, then you can just go ahead and close the secured credit card. Okay. So now, for the next part, I'm gonna show you like a breakdown of the top Philippine banks that offer secured credit cards. So I'm just gonna talk about them in no particular order. The first one that I have here, so this is as of May 2025. It's RCBC InstaCard. Yung minimum deposit nila is 10,000, which is a lot cheaper than that of Maya secured credit card. The credit limit is up to 90% and fast processing time, and this is very much perfect for first-time card holders. Aside from RCBC InstaCard, ang BDO, I think I've mentioned it in the previous video, that they also offer a secured credit card, and the holdout amount is also 10,000 pesos. As for the credit limit, it's also 90%. 80 to 90% of your deposit. So, I'm just telling you the minimum ha. Pwede mo siyang dagdagan if you want to have a higher credit limit. And BDO naman, we all know that it's trusted and it's also very accessible. I noticed na in most of the stores, yung mga terminals nila ay mga BPI and BDO na POS terminals for for cards. The next bank is Metrobank. Ito, medyo malaki siya. The minimum deposit is 25,000, but the credit limit is actually 100%. You can get as much as 100% of your holdout amount. So if you put in 25,000, your credit limit can also be 25,000 with Metrobank. They're very generous with their credit lines, and it's good for bigger purchases. Next bank is AUB, which is Asia United Bank. And same with Metrobank, the deposit required is 25,000. As for the credit limit, it's 80% of 25,000. Unique feature, ikaw ang pipili sa date ng billing cycle mo and your due date. So that gives you more control, diba? So you can say you wanna due date that's siguro sa 15th, that falls on the 15th or the 30th para sakto sa sweldo mo or something. Next is the Security Bank. The deposit required is also 25,000, and the credit limit is 80% of that. For Security Bank, it's super fast approval, but most of these banks, they normally take around 3 to 10 business days for the approval. But again, more likely you are going to be approved for these. Now, let me just talk about the requirements. It's actually different from that of a regular credit card, because dito, they're not gonna ask you for like mga pay slips and all. No need for that. They just need a valid ID and proof of deposit, which is for the security deposit. Yun lang. And then wait ka na lang sa approval within 3 to 10 business days. Kung meron kang alam na bank that's also offering a secured credit card na hindi ko nasali sa list na mention ko sa video na to, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Lagay mo lang yung bank name doon or their terms for others to see.
Final thoughts.
In my opinion, if you are just starting to build your credit score or your credit history, whether you're a student or siguro you're a freelancer, wala kang stable income and whatnot, this is really the best option for you to start. And if maganda yung record mo, it would be a lot easier for you to actually apply for a regular credit card in the future. And like what I said earlier, banks can just upgrade your secured credit card at any time after 6 months maybe, or after a year. If okay yung record mo, they would proactively do that for you. Okay, so that's about it. It's just a very short video. If you have some questions or comments or experiences with other banks, just drop them in the comment section and I will do my best to get back to you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And please don't forget to share this video as well to those who might actually find it useful. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!